Next generation police gadgets you won't believe exist. HDB90ST. This clever device can quietly breach through doors without needing any other kind of device, and it works in seconds. First, the magical machinery is pressed up against the door in question. Then, because the whole thing is remote operated, the operator can step back before hitting a button on the controller. As soon as they do, compressed air is released from the device, activating a system of hydraulics inside the gun. This generates a tremendous amount of force but will break open the door without any loud sounds, which is handy. Grappler Police Bumper. The ingenious device works by deploying a nylon net from the front bumper of a police vehicle. If the police are in pursuit and close enough to the back of the car they're chasing, the net will wrap itself around the suspect's rear tire, stopping it in its tracks. Most immobilization devices the police use, such as spike strips, all rely on being able to get in front of the runaway vehicle. However, the grappler allows police to stop the vehicle from behind and creates enough space between both vehicles to prevent any tragic crashes. So, it may look like it's been plucked from your favorite comic book, but it's a real-life bad guy's worst nightmare. DigiDog. The New York Police Department has been busy testing a tool called DigiDog that it claims may be used in risky situations to keep officers safe. Still, some are concerned that it might end up turning into an aggressive surveillance tool. This robot model is being tested to compare its capabilities to other models used by the Emergency Services Unit. It weighs 70 pounds, has a top speed of 3.5 miles per hour, and can even climb stairs. This robot can navigate extremely complex environments using artificial intelligence. DigiDog also supports two-way communication, so if an officer needs to speak with a suspect, he or she can. For the time being, this is the department's only robot dog, and it has only been used a few times during the testing phase. Officers hope to add more because they believe DigiDog has a bright future with the NYPD. Nimbo. Nimbo is a robust product designed to address security patrolling issues such as mobility, dependability, coverage, communication, detection, and, of course, cost. Security teams can manage risk and protect assets more effectively by deploying the new robotic patrol. According to experts from a leading robotic security company, new technology adds new features to security patrolling services, such as human activity analysis, object detection, and integrated autonomous patrolling, which provides 24/7 protection to businesses. Robot guards are the future of the security guarding industry, and Nimbo is the first product on the market, offering a balance of advanced technology and value for money. The advancements in video communication, activity detection, and autonomous patrolling assist the robot guard in making better decisions. Robotic patrolling is a more dependable, cost-effective, and efficient solution than traditional human patrolling. RaidTech Smart Slide. The RaidTech Smart Slide is a replacement slide that comes with a built-in display, an integrated backstrap with a micro USB charging port, and new magazine followers that is compatible with now discontinued Glock G17 Gen 4 handguns. When swapped out for the factory slide, the Smart Slide can process the handgun's current loaded/unloaded status and ammunition capacity in real time. When combined with magazine follower sensors, the Smart Slide can simply detect if a round is in the chamber, how many are loaded, and how many have been fired, alerting the shooter when the magazine is running low or empty and even when the gun is safe. The Smart Slide can also keep track of how many shots have been fired through the gun since the device was installed. Control buttons placed on either side of the screen are used to cycle through the display. Onyx Exoskeleton. There are numerous examples of exoskeletons in the world. Scorpions, snails, and lobsters all have shells rather than bones. Superhuman suits are featured prominently in the Iron Man films and Halo video games. Exoskeletons, According to Gavin Barnes, 0709 MS13 MBA, lead engineer for Lockheed Martin's Exoskeleton Technologies program, are a way to help people perform certain jobs with greater strength, endurance, and safety. Barnes' most recent project, the Onyx Exoskeleton, is a wearable robot that supports and boosts its users' energy during physically demanding tasks such as repetitive kneeling, climbing, squatting, and carrying heavy loads. Onyx, which weighs nearly 20 pounds with its battery, is made of carbon fiber, aluminium, plastic, fabric, and a trace of titanium. Onyx responds to a user's movement in about 150 milliseconds, which is comparable to the time it takes muscles to respond to brain signals. The team intends to use electromyography to cut that time in half, allowing the exoskeleton to not only predict what movements will be made based on eye but also to execute the next motor command while in motion.